A common mistake many designers make whenever they're designing an advertisement, a movie poster, a postcard, etc., is how important the actual type is. Type can make or break a good design. Look at a menu. If it's for kids and it's using very strict text like Times New Roman or Palatino, that menu is going to lose its appeal to those kids. But using something that's colorful like hobo or charcoal is going to be a lot more fun and appealing to those kids because the text is fun, wide, bouncy. But take that same wide, bouncy, and fun text and try to use it for some kind of financial firm. Well, it's not going to be taken very seriously. So type is very critical in your design. You'll find the type tool in the tool box over here indicated by the T. And the diamond tells us that there are more tools available to us if we hold the mouse down on this tool. So I'll go ahead and do that now. We see that we can create type in a horizontal fashion, a vertical fashion, and we can also use type as a mask in horizontal and vertical fashions as well. And I'll cover how to use these guys later on. You see that we have our options for the type because we have the T selected. So we can change the font, the style, the size. It's anti-aliasing, which is really helpful for people who are designing websites and you're having a difficult time getting the type readable online. You have your alignment and the ability to color that type. Let me go ahead and click another tool to close that box. If you want to use a panel specifically with the type tools in it, you can choose one of two, which will open up the tools anyway. For example, if I go to Window and I choose Character, it's going to open up its friend, Paragraph, no matter what I do. So I can choose Character, and there's Paragraph. And if I choose Paragraph, Character follows along. So these two are best buds. You'll notice that the same tools are available here as well. We have our ability to change the font, the style, and other options that you don't see up here, such as leading, tracking, kerning, and all that kinds of stuff. You can also change the color and do some other things down here. Now the cool thing about these tools is that, like in the toolbox, if you hover your mouse over these little icons, they will tell you what they do. So you have something called faux bold and faux italics. This is useful for those fonts that don't have that style over here. Some just have regular, so you can fake it with these guys. You also have the ability to have all caps, and you can even do it with the lower caps. So you can have these guys here called small caps, so that everything's capitalized, even the lowercase or smaller letters. And we also have superscript and subscript. Kind of cool for those E equals MC squared kind of things where you have a number hovering above and one below. We also have the ability for underlines and strike-throughs. Strike-throughs are most commonly used by editors who are saying, I hate this sentence, get rid of it. Of course, it makes you hurt inside, but that's their way of saying, rewrite this or get rid of it. So this is the set of tools we're going to use in this upcoming section so we can learn how to create type and edit it and make it go along a path inside of Photoshop.